Fireproof A2 Core. A2 Core is made of mixed natural inorganic mineral materials, and it is used for producing A2 grade fireproof composite panel. It is featured as non-combustible, low smoke, toxic-free, halogen-free, no droplets, no radiation, eco-friendly material. Sunshine A2 Core is A2, S1, D0 grade, and it is certified by EN 13501-1 standard by SGS, Intertek, etc. Fireproof A2 metal composite panel is widely used in office building, shopping centers, industry buildings, airports, hotels, bus center, hospital, schools, supermarkets, and residential buildings.